So, hello guys. Today I want to talk about a very important thing. It's very important, and I personally believe that you must know this. Why retail traders do such kind of things, I don't know. Okay, either always I think many people, not every retailer, sorry, uh, but most of them are many times are driven by greed. Markets can go to sometimes madness, but it doesn't mean that people have to behave in a such a way that markets are a lottery machines. Okay, you go to the slot, you'll pull down a chain and you'll get a tons of money. It's not that case. Okay, the recent, when I was going to Economic Times, my daily news, in my shorts also I have covered it. Okay, that case which recently I read about is that SEBI banned an unregistered SEBI unregistered private limited company which was taking courses, were giving courses, sorry, lakh rupees. On what basis? On the grounds that you will you will get 300 times return. 300 times. Okay, they were managed to get around 104 crore rupees. Okay, this is a bland scam and people had just fallen for it. So I was craving to know why people go in such kind of returns. How can you believe that there is a 300% return in a single day or in a single month? How could be? It could be done, okay, but not with a 10 rupees. Okay, sometimes with small amount you get immense returns. Okay, just say if I would get a 15 rupees call, I would buy on a expiry day, which I did. Okay, and it went to 100 rupees. I could get 7,500 out of my 750 rupees. It is still 10x. 10x crazy. 300x. How could we believe? It's just complete madness. But still people don't see it. The greed glasses are so dark that you can't people see that it's just a pitfall. It's just a deep big hole. 7 lakh rupees for a course. Okay, a lot of free courses are there, a lot of free not, but books are available. We don't want to go through that, and we'll go through, some person will tell us, give us some magic potion, wand, something like that. And I feel very bad about this, that every time the retail traders or the investors are only trapped whenever a stock or something, asset class which big players don't want to keep and they want to profit out, they dump it to the retailers because they don't know, they don't believe the hype, they don't know, they sometimes don't believe the hype when it's correct time to buy, and sometimes they believe the hype that it is the correct time to buy, yeah, to buy when it's time to sell for the big players, because the big players are keep on selling to the retailers. Because, so if, tell me one thing, if a big player sells something at a higher price and all the retailers buy it at a higher price, okay, and when the big players go out, okay, then the stock starts to fall. Okay, so it means the retail traders and investors are such in a number, they can absorb the quantities of the big players. That why always, don't remember markets as always a buyer and a seller. Market can't run without a buyer and a seller. So retail traders are powerful. These just need that you people, every retailer, if you are a big investor, I don't know, but if you are a retail trader, you are trading just in lakh of rupees, you need to understand that you are capable, you are powerful, just you need to have 360-degree of knowledge about something, about economics, something about daily news which are going on. You just can't rely on technicals. Technicals is very important. I only use technicals for small trades. Okay, but to take big trades or to think about that what would happen in a week, what could happen in a month, what could happen in a year, how, which year it could be, it would be a bearish year or a bearish year or a bullish year, bearish or bullish, something like that. You have to calculate it and understand a simple dynamics. Sometimes, like data which are available, easily available, uh, employments, uh, layoffs, new technology, and information age things. Okay, that things can easily tell you about the current economics which is going. Is it right or it is wrong, or it is going down or it is going up, and which business cycle in we are. Okay, that's also we have to know about if we are retailers. I'm not dealing in too much of lakhs of rupees. Okay, so I personally believe I am a retail trader now. Okay, so if I won't have the knowledge or won't have the courage to say no to returns, sometimes we have to say to no to returns. Okay, because we have to go through a process. It's a profession. This thing is a profession. If you are investing for long term, then the things become different. But if you are trading for a short time, okay, when you are running in months and a few weeks, that type of trade, it becomes a trade. Okay, you pay STCG, right? So when you are paying STCG, it's a short term trade, and you have to understand that this case, recently when I was going to Economic Times, I heard about this Amisha Patel case. Okay, and how could someone believe that 300 times return a person could get? Yes, you can get 300 times return, and you can take 7 lakhs, and you can pay 7 lakhs for the course, but not pay 7 lakhs to the market, which will teach you live lessons. Always remember, the market, you have to trade in the markets. The market could teach you well than any of the person you know, any of the person you see. Okay, it's just that you believe some of the opinion. It doesn't mean you skip the video right now, but you can learn from the market. If someone can pay 7 lakh rupees for a course, then why could not go in the markets and try to not lose money? Just not to try to make money, just try to not make money. Sorry, not make money, not lose money. Okay, not lose money. So if you will not just lose money, market will tell you that I do this, I do that, I do sort of things. I sometimes go up, I sometimes go down, I sometimes pause, I sometimes get waterlogged, I have to be taken up, I have to be bought, I have to be sold. Okay, I work in sometimes cycles. Okay, everything market will tell you. It just is a point of belief that people are getting fear and greed, and combination of fear and greed, it's just blast outs, and people are wiped off. All profits, all accounts, all capital, and even debt. First thing, do not go debt route to trade. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so from this case, I just wanted to know that what are your thoughts, and why you think retail traders are trapped in kind of things. I don't like this, that our retail traders or the fellow traders which are not having 100% I guess idea of the dynamics, but it doesn't mean that they have to be trapped and they have to pay such a big price. Okay, SEBI did a good job by banning and detecting that kind of scam is going on, and it has been seized. It's very important. So sometimes it becomes necessary to say no to returns. Okay, sometimes people will try to scam you, but you have to say no and put your greed aside or put your feelings aside and think logically. Deal things with logic and the times, and always stay alert and aware when you are entering in such courses or enrolling somewhere. You have to deal with these things with complete logical mind. Okay, and stay aware. All the best, guys, and have good pick.